Okay, everyone, thanks for joining in on tonight's break. It's the 13-14 totally certified. The last team that ended was the Winnipeg Jets, February 24th at 9:44. I don't have a box serial number on this one. As you can see there, it says the box serial number is unavailable because last night I pulled the boxes out of a sealed case, and this auction was already up and going. So with the link tonight, when you're watching this, I will include the link for last night's break showing the case opening, so you can verify the serial numbers if you want. You'll see it at the bottom. I'll include the links from the 3 boxes last night, showing the cases being opened. And the time right now is Monday, February 24th at 11:07. I'll move these off to the side. Certified up first. So, like I said, you can verify the serial number from the video from last night. 1908-73659. It is a sealed box. So, same box design for tomorrow night, guys. The time might not be exactly the same. I'm changing it around because I'm planning on adding boxes the rest of the week. Tomorrow night I added SP Game News. So it'll be this again tomorrow night. I got the Cup, SPX, and then it'll be box 1 of the SP Game News case. And the next night I'll probably add the 13-14 Dominion in on it. So I just changed the times up a little bit with them. All the auctions for the night will probably be done around the same time, but I'll be starting them earlier in the night for the added boxes. So anyway, good luck to everybody. Oh, the other thing I'll say too is on capercards.com, there's a case break right now for Dominion. That'll be happening on Thursday night. So whatever teams aren't sold through the website, I will put into auction. So anyway, first card, base. We got a rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Jacob Trouba. And for the Ducks, we got autograph rookie, Sami Vatanen, Anaheim Ducks. They're not numbered. And a base. Base. For the Washington Capitals, blue parallel, 6 of 10, Nicholas Backstrom for Washington. 6 of 10. It's there anyway. It's not focusing too good. 6 of 10. And we got a rookie for the Dallas Stars, Jack Campbell. Jack Campbell for Dallas. It's number 23 of 25. And we got totally certified jersey for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Nashville. And a base card. Base. We got a rookie for the Montreal Canadiens, Jared Tenorti. And for the Montreal Canadiens, number 49 of 100, clear cloth, Alex Galchenyuk. Alex Galchenyuk, Montreal, and another base card. The last pack. It's the red parallel, number 56 of 100 for the Vancouver Canucks, Kevin Bieksa. For Vancouver, 56 of 100. And we got a rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Morgan Riley. And we got an autograph for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Marian Gaborik. Numbered. And decoy. And finish off the base. So, thanks again, guys, for joining in. Don't forget to check out capercards.com if you're interested in Dominion break on Thursday. And, yeah, same stuff tomorrow. Most links guys will be doing the breaks right around the same time. So, you can expect the links roughly around the same time. So, have a good night, everybody. Thanks.